How to copy and paste in Zarchiver. Let's dive right into the video. So right here is my Zarchiver app. In order for you to actually copy and paste, which I'm going to be showing you in just 1 minute, right here is what you're going to see. You're going to see a lot of files on your Zarchiver once you open the app. And you can actually get the app from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device by searching for Zarchiver. So right here is the app. So let's take, for instance, you go to any of this folder. I'm going to go to download folder. So you can actually tap and hold on the photo, app or picture or a file you want to actually copy by tapping and holding it like this. Now once you tap and hold on it, looking here on the screen, you're going to see a lot of options. So right here you can simply click on copy. You can see the copy option right here. So once you click on that, you need to move out from this place and go to the folder which you want to paste it on. Go to the folder like this and click on this button right here on the screen. You can see the button right here on the screen. Once you click on that, it is going to be pasted right here on this folder. So I've been able to paste it right here, as you can see. So this is how simple it is to copy and paste on Zarchiver. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. This channel is ready for you. See you in the next one.